So, you've received your anti-aging bed cover and you've put it on your mattress and plugged it in. Wonderful! Now how can you tell if you're receiving its health benefits? Today, I will be demonstrating how to use the voltmeter with your anti-aging bed product so that you can see for yourself that the technology in your cover is at work. The meter itself is not required to make your cover work. It is only sent to you as a means of testing our patented and proven technology in the comfort of your own home. Once you've taken the meter out of the box, locate and insert the batteries if they aren't already. Next, connect the red cable to the right hole in the bottom of the meter labeled VHZ. Connect the black cable to the middle hole labeled COM. Turn the dial on the meter from off to the millivolt selection. Change the voltmeter from using DC to AC by pushing the SEL button in the upper right hand corner of the meter. Next, you will clip the black probe with the alligator clip onto your anti-aging bed cover. You will see the reading on the voltmeter change as the red probe detects the change in EMF frequency within its vicinity. Hold the metal tip of the red probe in your hand and watch as the reading on the voltmeter detects the voltage in your body. Now use your empty hand to touch the surface of your cover and watch as the reading on the meter rapidly diminishes as you become grounded through the anti-aging bed cover technology. That's it. Thank you for being a part of the anti-aging bed revolution. Feel free to follow us on any of our social media platforms or call us directly at 800-385-4243 with any questions or concerns. Thank you.